Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel will bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone camera flash won't work. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. Last night, I wanted to take pictures with my Android phone at a party. Since it was nighttime, I turned on the camera flash. But when I pressed the shutter button, the camera flash didn't work. At first, I thought I hadn't turned on the flash, but when I checked again, I found that the flash was already on. I tried taking a picture again, but the camera flash still wasn't working on my Android phone. I want to know why and how to fix the camera flash not working on my Android phone. We understand that you might be facing the same problems when you reach here. When you want to know how to fix a camera flash that doesn't work on your Android phone, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain why and how to fix the problem to get your device working again. Cause 1. Application malfunction. The solution is to restart the camera application. When your Android phone camera flash stops working, it's likely that the camera application has malfunctioned. If the current malfunction is not serious, restarting the camera application might fix the Android phone camera flash not working issue. And this will not cause any harm to your Android device. To restart the camera application, long press the camera application icon, then tap the icon in the upper right corner. Then, at the bottom of the screen, you will see the Force Stop option. Please tap the Force Stop option. Finally, restart the camera application and test again to see if the camera flash is working properly. Cause 2. Excessive camera cache. The solution is to clear the camera cache. When running the camera application, the application stores some cache to facilitate better use of the camera application next time. However, if there is too much camera cache, this may affect the normal operation of the Android camera, causing the Android device's camera flash to stop working. Therefore, you can try clearing the camera cache to fix the Android device's camera flash not working issue. Please follow these steps to try clearing the camera cache. Long press the camera application icon, then tap the icon in the upper right corner. In the camera details screen, scroll down and select the storage option, then tap the clear cache or clear data option. Finally, restart the camera app and see if the Android phone camera flash is working properly. Cause 3. Temporary glitch. The solution is to restart. During the use of your Android phone, temporary glitches may occur at times. These glitches often affect the functionality of the Android device. To determine if the problem of the Android phone camera flash not working is caused by a temporary glitch, we recommend that you try restarting your Android phone. Restarting your Android phone can clear temporary glitches and restart the Android device, allowing it to run in optimal condition. Therefore, restarting your Android phone is worth a try. Here are the steps to restart your Android phone. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. Then tap the restart icon or button. The Android phone will automatically restart to the home screen. You can also find the power off icon or button on the restart screen. Turn off your Android phone, wait for about a minute, and then turn it back on. If it's a temporary glitch, restarting the phone will help eliminate the problem. Finally, try updating the system again. If the flash in the camera is not working on your Android device due to a temporary glitch, then restarting should solve the problem. Cause 4. Camera settings problem. The solution is to reset the camera app. Another possibility is that you have unknowingly changed some camera settings. The camera flash stopping working on your Android device might be due to this setting. Since you may not know what settings you changed, we recommend resetting the camera app as a solution. Resetting the camera app will reset it to its default state without any negative impact. This is very simple. Please follow me to reset the camera application. Open the camera app, then find and tap the gear-shaped icon on the screen. After that, scroll down the screen and find the Reset Settings option. Finally, tap the Reset Settings option and confirm resetting the camera app again. After the reset is complete, try using the camera again to see if the flash is working normally. Cause 5. Hardware problem. The solution is to seek professional help. If none of the above solutions can fix an Android camera flash that's not working, then there may be a hardware problem. For example, the camera flash itself, the sensor, etc. If there's a hardware problem, you'll need to take your phone to an official service center so that technicians can further diagnose and repair the issue. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If this helps you fix the camera flash issue on your Android phone, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, Don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.